Hey guys, what's going on? This is Unique Gamer. We are back again with one more video, special video. So in this video, we can see my PlayStation 5 on my desk. So I'm using Astro F50 headphones. You can see. So we have an issue with Astro F50 headphones. Like we don't have aux port for the PlayStation 5. So we are in 2020 right now. So new technology, new generation. So everything has been bought up with USB. So with Astro F50 headphones, we have some issues with PlayStation 5. Either you can hear the sound or you cannot output the sound. So if you are a streamer, then you'll be facing a lot of problems. I know a lot of streamers use Discord and connect it to PC directly and do multitasking with their headphones while playing on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 games connected to PC with Elgato. So even I'm also facing the same issue, but previously we just got a solution for that. We need to have an HDMI splitter that is sold from Astro, and we'll also get the third party as HDMI extractor where we can split the audio, your PlayStation 4 or PS5 audio to your Elgato and directly to your OBS or Streamlabs, whatever you use. So right now friends, you can see my Astro A50. This is my base station. You can see the base station and the PlayStation 5 down below. So as you can see, USB connected over here, and we don't have any aux port. That's my hard disk, external hard disk for my PS5. So you can see this micro USB connected over here. So I'll just show you clearly. So one micro USB connected for my PC directly, okay. See, I just connected for my PC via normal USB. So the way I'll show you to get the both sounds to your headphones as well as to Elgato without any disturbances. If you are a live streamer, this is useful only for live streamers. So we don't have to waste any like $40 or $50 on getting an HDMI extractor or a HDMI split or something like that for splitting the audio. So friends, right now you can see on the left side, this is my OBS panel. So in the OBS panel, you can see Elgato audio already popping up. So I'll just show you the settings clearly. So first of all, let me show you my Elgato settings. Click on properties of my Elgato, where we have just using Elgato. I'm using MK2 model. Whatever model you use, it's not an issue. So you can see my MK2 model Elgato. I hope you can see clearly. So resolution, everything is same. So below, what you have to do is you have to use this one, custom audio device. Okay, you have to use custom audio device. Just tick on that, and depending upon the variant you're having, if you're having Elgato HD60 Pro, you can select Elgato HD60 Pro. I'm having MK2 model, so I'm selecting MK2 model. Depending upon the model, you have to click on custom audio device. Okay, so first option is from there. Okay, then after that, okay, click on OK. Then what you have to do, next step is that just go to this one. This is desktop advanced audio properties. You can see these filters in your OBS as well as in Streamlabs also. Same filters will be available. So right now you can see friends, Elgato desktop audio. You can see audio monitoring is off. And for Elgato, you can see monitor and output, okay. I think you have to copy these settings. These settings will be useful for you, okay. So you can see the settings, friends. These are my settings. So next settings is that you have to go to this one, OBS, one more settings. And in that audio, just go for audio. And the first desktop audio will be default, okay. First desktop audio will be default. So you have to go for headphones Astro F50 game, okay. Then click on OK. So these are the settings from OBS where you can use your PC, you can use your Discord, you can use multitasking, you can hear songs while playing your PlayStation 5 games also. You can do multitasking with these things, okay. Friends, these are the things from OBS. So that will automatically extract from HDMI through the amplifier, so directly to your Astro. So this is really amazing. And once we are in the PlayStation 5, so see, you can see this PlayStation settings. Go to the sound. This is just turn on my PlayStation 5. Just go to the sound, and microphone depends upon, I don't use this microphones at all. So second option, just go for audio output. In this, you have to select HDMI device amplifier, okay, this one. And once you click on this, you can go for the HDMI device type is AV amplifier, and you can use 7.1 over here, not an issue. Why? Because your Astro supports 7.1 virtual sound. So here and down below, you can see you have to turn on this audio format priority. By default, it's going to be linear PCM. So you have to change it to Bitstream Dolby. That's going to give you 7.1 virtual surround. And once we have done, that's it. So we are almost connected. So friends, this is a quick tip from Unigamer. So I hope you people enjoyed, and see, I just want to give you a lot of tips regarding this. I mean, like, I've just researched a lot with this one, but I didn't found any solution. Why? Because the PS5 has been, I mean, like, it's been only 20 days, like PlayStation 5 has been launched. So a lot of people are buying the HDMI splitters, but I don't want to waste money. Why? Because we are already using the Astro A50. Astro A50 is a beast headset, but so if you want to split, you can use HDMI splitter, but without using HDMI splitter also, I just made this video. This is really amazing. If you like this video, make the thumbs up, and for more videos, subscribe for the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye, take care.